Japan Wireless eSIM pricing explained what you get for your money. Japan Wireless is a popular choice for travelers, but most people get this wrong. They assume pricing is a flat daily rate. The surprising truth is that costs depend on data plans, duration, and device compatibility. For short-term travelers, Japan Wireless offers eSIM data packages starting at around for 1 GB valid for 7 days. You won't believe how flexible this is. Plans can scale up to 20 GB or more for longer stays, and speeds are typically unlimited within the allotted data. Some plans also include hotspot functionality, letting you share your connection with other devices. Most people get this wrong by overlooking activation fees or assuming unlimited plans exist without limits. Japan Wireless also provides multi-country SIM options for those traveling beyond Japan, which can affect overall pricing. Payment is straightforward, typically prepaid with no hidden monthly charges, making it convenient for tourists. In conclusion, Japan Wireless eSIM pricing is flexible and transparent. By understanding data limits, duration, and optional features like hotspot sharing, you go from zero to pro in budgeting your connectivity and ensuring you stay online without surprises during your trip.